This is Randy Mack with Explore Revelstoke Like Local. In this video series guide, we're going to show you the steps involved in building a backyard deck. This is a 6-part video series, and this will guide you through building your backyard deck. It is basic instructions. It's provided by Lowe's. So what we're going to do is just quickly show you. Part 1 is how to design a deck and deck building plans. Part 2 of the video series is how to build deck construction plans. Part 3 is how to build and set deck posts and footings. Part 4 is how to construct the deck frame using wooden joists. Part 5 is how to construct stairs and steps for your deck. And Part 6 is how to construct railings, balusters, and skirting for your deck. You also have a list of tools for your deck in your backyard and the materials you'll need. And these are the basic tools. There's also links to Lowe's Deck Designer, and also the step-by-step instructions on Lowe's site. So how to build a deck, and there's the Deck Designer, and then there's Lowe's website information. We hope you enjoy this series. It's Randy Mack with Explore Revelstoke.